Welcome back to the ice. No fishing today. I'm not cooking nothing. It's time to watch some lawnmowers race on the ice. A couple months ago, a neighbor calls me up. He said, Dish, interested in sponsoring the boys? They're going to get some lawnmowers together, do some racing on the ice. And I was like, sure, I'll do that. So the poor ice conditions, warm winter, kind of kept them from the normal racing. But today there's enough ice. Everybody's here. It's time to race. Let's watch the lawnmowers race. Let's get after it. So there's three basic classes. Stock, which is your basic everyday lawnmower. You can adjust the pulleys to get some more speed out of it, but pretty much it's a stock mower. There's the next class. You can adjust the drive, pulleys, stud the tires, do a little bit more to it. And then the third class is pretty modified. They're running up to 50 horse, studded tires, center of gravity way down, they sit lower, they move the seats. Doesn't even look like a lawnmower, some of them. So let's go watch them race.